guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create glow-in-the-dark neon stickers on CapCut PC. So go to stickers and select any stickers you want, if they would just load. Honestly, you can use any of them, but it's better if it's like the outline stickers only, but you can apply it to these as well. I'm just trying to find one that will work well. They do have like neon signs, but like what if you want like another sticker to be neon, you know, like we never know. Okay, so that one's can't use that. Let's see, I'm sorry if this might take like a long time, but journal. Okay, now Barbie maybe. Okay, let's just use this one. Actually, no, we have to use like, not like a text like. Here, we can use this one. I'm just going to scale it down. Then I'm going to go to effects. I'm going to go to neon and I'm going to add this one in. And then I want it to have color in it. So you can add in the black and white filter first on top and then colors, but I'm just going to leave it like that. I want this pink one. Scale it up, go to blend mode and select linear burn. Then you're going to go to effects again and you're going to search for edge glow. But it's better if you right click everything and create a compound clip first and then add in the edge glow. You can also add in the angel effect if you'd like to, but if not, that's totally fine. But just give it a little bit of strength and you'll have this like really nice glow in the dark sticker in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!